Alright, so for the people who don't, oh, sorry about that. What the hell was that? Okay, so anyways, for people who don't have any experience with coding, let me just sum up what you need to do in order to actually make the bot. You need Visual Studio Code. Go to this site and you can download it. I might do it in the, I might paste it into the description if I'm feeling like it. But yeah, you just download it for Windows, Mac, whatever you use. If you use like Ubuntu or like one of these, you can just download that. And for node.js, this is what you actually need to run the commands, etc. You, you just get the Windows installer, or anything actually, if you know what you're doing, and get the recommended version, obviously. So once you're done with those two, you have your text editor and the thing you need to use the language. You create your bot. Now to create your bot, you press new application, and one of these things should pop up, and this is the one I'm using for today. So I'm just gonna click on that, and you go to bot. It should show create a bot right here, and uh, you just create the bot, and it should show up like this. Well, with whatever name you chose, you can do any name, any PFP, customize your bot, make it look cool, professional. Make sure this is you know like this, and once you're done with that, let's just X this out. Go to bot, copy this, and then just leave that there for now. Or you could add it to your server. Well, actually, you should add it to your server. Actually, make sure to add it to your server. Choose whatever one you want. I added it to Shallow's crib. Well, not Shallow's crib. I added it to Clark's chamber. So I'm not gonna do that over again. You probably know how to add a bot to a server. That's obvious. So I was already testing with the new bot that I created. So just so you know, it's online. This works. Um, I'm not I'm not a professional by any means, but I know how to create a bot with Python and JS. So yeah, you're in decent hands, not good hands, in decent hands. So I already tried to make a tutorial with this and went out horribly, so I'm doing this over again. So I'm just gonna delete all of these files. No modules, and there you go. So we're on index.js. I'm just gonna delete all of this. Delete, and to start things off, we're gonna paste it back in. Oh, we're not gonna paste it back in. Okay, never mind. Okay, so to just run you through what I'm actually doing, I copied some code a while back, and this should pretty much work. So we have our variables for, Discord and all that, Discord.js, and yeah, so this is all you need to actually run the thing. Other than that, you just need your bot token, so console.log and your token. Oh, we got a bot, and you just copy the token. There you go. Now, other than this, uh, if you wanna, let's say, set the activity of the bot to something cool, just a little add-on to the video. Once the bot is online, or the bot makes itself online, it does a self command that makes it stream the URL of the stream, etc. and type streaming. If you don't want all this, you can just take this out and listening to SA, no, T help. So you know, and for example, you can also do this. Um, if I'm right, this should work. Client. Now this doesn't have to be client. This could be bot, and you could change all of the client stuff to bot. And this is separate from this client, if you didn't know. So just to note, this is separate from this client. So don't change it to bot if you change this to bot. But if you change this to bot, it works the same. So client dot users dot cache dot size, and there you go, users. And I think this should work. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this should work. Just in case, listening. And there we go. To actually create a command, all of these variables aside, let's make an embed command, and let's make a normal command. This is the normal command, obviously, and hi. I'll just put an extra high. Well, I'll just put capital high, and then the bot sends back a capital high, right? Keep doing that. Okay, so that should be good. So this is the embed, and I'm just gonna take this out real quick since I don't have the variable. And capital high, capital thing. So yeah, I have a problem. Users listening. Okay, so there you go. This is it. This is what's gonna make up our bot. This is what actually log in. Console.log. What am I doing? Client. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Client.login. I'm I'm so rusty. Oh my god. Console.log. I'm so dumb. But yeah, this should work. And for the actual other files that you will need, you simply do this. You can go to Visual Studio Code and go to its terminal and do this, but by doing Control plus C, but personally it just doesn't work for me. it's so slow. I don't get it. But you just do node, not node, npm init dash y. How much time has passed? A lot of time has passed. But yeah, if this could just load, it loaded, and then npm install discord.js dash save, and this should get all the other files that you will need. Once you have the file and the dependencies, you should be good, and then you can just run node. Package.json file, package.json. We have our JavaScript file, index.js, and there you have it. We just do node. We can do it either place. I'm gonna do it here. Oh, I forgot to delete this. My bad. If you copied until now, delete that. And yeah, it's my fault. You can just join my Discord server if you have any problems with this. I'm not a professional, but I should know how to fix your problem. And node dot, the bot is ready, and all you have to do now, once you have your commands, we have both prefix. Oh my god, I think I should retire. Prefix equals t. There you have it. Gonna do node again, and the bot is ready. T high. This is the command, and T exclamation mark is our prefix, and T high is the normal command. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. Just a run through of all the commands we have and the actual code inside of it. We have const, all the variables for the stuff. Stuff. God. And then we have this 12 users, t help, and all that. And there you have it. This is our bot, right? It's only in one server. This is the server, 12 users. For proof, we can just go here, members, 12 users, and that's how you do it. Set activity. This is the activity when the bot runs. Prefix, variable, and then you reassign. Well, you don't reassign it. You redeclare it over here and over here. I don't have a command handler. This is like the most basic way you can do this. So you can keep this if you're just doing like a basic short project. I recommend doing the config version for the prefix and the token, and you can just find all that stuff in the documentation and the guide. You can also join the discord.js Discord server. You can also join mine if you want. This is where I do my test stuff, and yeah. You can also find me in the discord.js and discord.py Discord servers. So yeah. Yep. End of the video.